Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday. I got some sleep last night. I slept in a little bit and here we are in the kitchen. Last night's 3-ingredient dinner, which included a mandarin orange chicken with wild rice pilaf with mushrooms, peas, and carrots, was delightful. Yes, definitely repeatable, and it was yummy, yummy, yummy. On tonight's menu is another casual chef creation, a ginger pork stir fry over white rice. Something fun. I haven't done an actual stir fry in a while, except for last night I did. Technically, the mandarin orange chicken was a stir fry. But I actually look forward to it tonight. Pretty simple meal. So actually, let's take a look. Yeah, we got some pork, red onion, garlic, ginger, and some cilantro. And my recipe, which is hiding. And there's the rice, Italian-style vegetables, frozen, low-sodium soy sauce, some cornstarch, beef stock. We got some sugar, and we have some red pepper chili flakes. Yeah, I got it right today. So yesterday, if you didn't see on the interweb, on Facebook, trying to get rid of this. There we go. Here, sweet spot. Went to Yuba City Charter School and helped judge a salsa contest that the students made. It was fun. First time I had actually been back into the kitchen, their lab, with the new setup. It looks great. I look forward to being a guest instructor at the charter school, and yeah, it looks great. So the students, like I said, did a good job. One salsa, wow, it kicked a huge punch. And fortunately for me, it was the first salsa I tried. Kind of set the tone. But yeah, it had a lot of heat. And it came, it was a punch you in the mouth type heat. Don't get me wrong, I love spicy food, but that was wow. So I hope you have a great day, eat some great food, and have fun cooking.